Before you start your installation, please read the instruction manual and make sure you have all necessary tools available to hand. In this video, we will be installing a 1200 by 800mm Giorgio 2 shower tray. Unpack the tray and check the product is in perfect condition for installation. The installation base should be level, dry and free of debris. To ensure the base is completely level, use a levelling compound such as a sand and cement mix. When installing on a concrete floor, you will need to mark out where the waste will be situated. Remove enough concrete to leave adequate space for the waste. Place the waste in the hole, checking that the waste does not affect the level of the tray. This is to ensure proper drainage and to avoid any breakages. If you are building the floor up around the waste as opposed to installing the tray on a ready done concrete floor, make sure you leave enough space for the waste. Install the waste pipe, ensuring it has sufficient gradient to maximise drainage before installing the waste. Our Giorgio series trays are supplied with a high capacity waste, which can be installed using the compression or solvent method. Apply solvent cement to the pipe and then apply the locking nut and rubber ring provided. Fix the pipe into the waste and hand fasten the locking nut until tight. The waste supplied with the Giorgio series comes with both a chrome and plastic trap cover. As the Giorgio 2 comes with a stainless steel grate as standard or an optional colour matched grate, you will need to use the plastic cover, which will sit flush with the tray, allowing the grate to sit neatly on top. Before installing the tray, it is essential that it is tested first. Place the black rubber ring on the waste, bring in the tray and place in position, ensuring that the hole is aligned with the waste below. Fix the white plastic trap cover onto the waste through the top of the tray. Pour water onto the tray, around the waste area and directly into the waste. Remove the tray and check the waste, pipe join and surrounding areas for any leaks. Once the waste has been checked and secured, you are now ready to install the tray. Apply a sand and cement mix to the base as evenly as possible, ensuring all areas are covered. Carefully place the tray into position and adjust accordingly to ensure the tray is level on all sides. Reassemble the waste and place the grate into position to complete the tray. If wall panels or tiles are already in situ, seal between the tray and the wall with silicone and leave for 24 hours before installing a shower enclosure or using the shower. If you're installing the tiles or wall panels after the tray has been installed, leave the tray for at least 24 hours before installing them.